LG has announced a new transparent OLED smart bed TV. The panel is a 55-inch OLED, but its transparent design lets you see through it even when it's turned on and displaying an image. The screen achieves 40% transparency, which is an improvement over past transparent LCDs. It's not a bed itself, but rather a unit that sits at the foot of your bed that has a transparent display that can slide in and out of its housing. LG shows the screen sitting at the foot of a bed, where it can rise up partially or in full to show information or videos while retaining a view of the other side of the screen. The panel has built-in speakers. LG's sound solution technology is embedded in the frame. The OLED set can also be moved around the home if you'd like to position it somewhere else. It takes the display about 25 seconds to fully extend. The smart bed is an interesting concept. It isn't a real product yet. We hope that LG eventually bring this to market, and we believe it would cost you a fortune.